Welcome to part 27 of the Viking web traffic series. In this video I'm going to talk to you about a free method called private Webrings, which will give you primarily repeat visitors. This tactic might seem unusual, but the potential for good returns is there, and it's free. The creation of a private Webring will require a multi-party joint venture and possibly some salesmanship on your part to convince potential JV partners to participate. In fact, you might want to reword the proposition entirely and avoid referring to Webrings, or at least minimize any associations with the history of that term. It's amusing but true. Many people still associate the concept of a Webring with a series of poorly designed, GeoCities-hosted, ad-laden browser traps. Yet, Webrings weren't a bad idea, they were just implemented poorly and eventually replaced by organized directories and portals. I should make it clear that I'm not suggesting you set up a traffic exchange a la Traffic Swarm or anything of that nature. Although based on the Webring concept, those services run differently than what I'm suggesting here. Now that all the standard disclaimers are done, I'd like to present you with my Webring model. First things first, this model does require you to go back to the old school way of doing things, minus the crummy websites and bad hosting. You'll need to acquire a Webring script. You can get one that is fully customizable and easy to install for free from BraveNet. The basic idea here is to set up the Webring and market it as if all the sites within the ring are part of an association consortium. For example, let's say your niche is in copywriting. You create your Webring and name it something like Association of Internet Marketing Copywriters. In order to keep this from looking cheap, you'll buy a dedicated domain just for this purpose. Your index page will include basic membership information and a purpose statement, along with an entry link into the Webring itself. Next, contact potential associates and invite them into the Webring. Need some incentives? Present the invitation as an offer on a collaborative joint venture. Each member of the association, should he choose to join, is granted exclusive status in the eyes of every other member of the Webring. In other words, associates will enjoy special automatic benefits. The benefits should be simple but valuable. For example, all associates receive one cross-list promotion opportunity per month, or all associates receive an automatic discount on each other's products or receive those products for free, or anything else you can dream up. You see, what you're doing is automating a long-term joint venture on traffic. The main Webring entry page can be promoted to lists via PPC or indexed in search engines. The primary traffic benefit, though, will come from the Webring navigation links placed on each other member's promo page. Here's one important point to heed though. You do not want to use this tactic on sales pages or lead capture pages. You don't want to give visitors the option of surfing away from your own or your members' most important profit-generating pages. Instead, you'll create dummy pages for each member. These promo pages will be member profile pages designed to raise interest. Each promo page contains a link to the associate's main page and should open in a new window to allow easy return to the Webring. This model is very simplistic and you may or may not feel it worth the effort to set up. It's not going to generate massive traffic, but it does provide a new and intriguing way to influence search engine ranking by creating a mini-net of reciprocal and one-way links, and put a unique slant on branding and credibility, and influence visitors' perception of individual members' primary pages via the cumulative impact of all other members' promo and primary pages. Put this idea to the test if it inspires you, and let me know how it works. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next part where I will talk about RSS and content syndication. Okay, see you then, bye!